Hey friends, today is the day 17 of 21 days of cooking challenge and we are making gulkan sharbat today. So this is the recipe that I've got from my mom and ये समर के लिए perfect drink है. So just take some water, add some ice. So this is the kind of recipe that you need after a long day in summer. It's very relaxing, refreshing. So I just took some homemade ruafza. This is something that my mom made at home. Add in it, so it will give a nice color to your gulkan sharbat and also good for summer. So add a little bit of gulkan. I add 2 spoons of gulkan in the water. You can add as much as you want. I don't want it to taste too rosy, so that's why I just added 2 spoons. So ये bottom में settle हो जाता है, so make sure to mix it well and remove all the clumps. उसको अच्छे से mix कर लेंगे, stir कर लेंगे, so that it tastes amazing, refreshing. So this is the goond katira. It's perfect for summer and it's very very healthy, very good for health. It's a soaked goond katira. So just add 2 spoons. Add how much you want. I don't want it to taste like slimy, a lot slimy. So मैंने थोड़ा सा ही add किया. So just थोड़े से clumps आए बीच में. That's all. So mix it well again and bottom में settle ना हो जाए. So उसको अच्छे से mix करेंगे. So friends, how are you liking this challenge? Do let me know in the comment section and also let me know what is the next challenge that we can do. I really love doing these videos, making these videos for you guys. So here is the sharbat is ready and you can add extra sugar if you want, but I didn't want it to taste too sweet, so I didn't added any extra sugar. You can. So नीचे rose petals settle हो जाती है, so just scoop out some and add. That's completely fine. So here is our drink. It's ready and it was so refreshing, so good. Do try out and do let me know.